Hey everyone, today I will show you how to bulk import redirects in Shopify using CSV files. So the typical use case is that you have migrated from another platform to Shopify and you have a lot of links built up for your old store, right? Let's assume that you are coming from WooCommerce and usually the URL format is /product/ the handle. But when you migrate to Shopify, the URL is slightly different. It is /products/ the handle. So you want to like maintain the user experience and you want to ensure that these pages do not show a 404 page and you want to redirect them to the exact page that you had that you have in your Shopify store now. So obviously you can do it one by one. That takes a lot of time. And the other option is to bulk import redirects, and that's what we will cover right now. So all the bulk imported URL redirects will be 301 redirects. These are completely handled by Shopify. Now, let me show you where to do that in the Shopify admin interface. It's slightly non-intuitive, to be really honest with you. So it comes under content and under menus, and you have this URL redirects. Now I can create it one by one, but for this demo, I'm going to show you the bulk import option. So I can just click on this and select the CSV file. I've created the CSV file and I want to show you what you need to do as well. So you need to have a redirect from column and a redirect to column. So here I have created the old format, right? The one that was from WooCommerce for all my main products. And I have added the corresponding Shopify URL in the redirect to column. I have added a few for my account as well. So it all depends on which platform you are migrating from. So very easily, I'll just, this is the CSV file that I have created. I'll just drag and drop this particular CSV file. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can import 38 redirects. Okay, perfect. Once this is completed, Shopify will handle the redirect of URLs from /product/handle to /product/handle. This is fine. I'll ignore the error for now. Now, if everything had gone well, if I reload this particular page, it will not show me a 404 page anymore. Perfect. So it is not showing me a 404 page. It is redirect me to the /products page. Now there is only one issue with this bulk redirect import. The issue is that if you have a lot of URLs, if you have thousands of products, you might need to create thousands of URL redirects as well, which is not very sustainable. In that particular case, what I would recommend is to use our Nabu Redirect Manager app. And we have a unique functionality called Wildcard redirects. And it's very simple. So if I create a wildcard redirect for /product/star and the target link is /products/star and create this wildcard redirect, what this means is that any handle, we will look at any handle that comes after /product and we will automatically redirect them to /products. Please understand this is not a 301 redirect. It is a JavaScript redirect, but your customers would hardly notice it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, please follow us on YouTube. Thank you.